Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I am going to be going through a super duper productivity tip for you today that most people don't do. Most people, you go, oh man, I'm working as hard as I can. I'm working as hard as I can and I just can't seem to get ahead. And a lot of people ask me like, Tom, how are you so productive in the things that you do? So I'm going to give you a super simple and easy tip that I learned about 20 years ago from a good friend of mine, Paul Makowski. So he was the CFO and I was working as a vice president at this company, and I always used to be the first one there. I was usually the last one to leave, and I would always eat at my desk. And one day Paul came up to me and he goes, hey, you need to go take lunch. And I said, no, I'm more productive if I actually just sit here and I get my stuff done. And what I realized was I was able to like leave whatever I had and I could come back refreshed and take a look at whatever I was working on from a fresh angle. I was reminded of this, especially today, because I was working yesterday. I put in a 12-hour day. I was talking to India like early in the morning and, worked a full day beyond that. And then I got to today working on a big project this morning, got that all knocked out. And then I said to myself, you know what? I have to get away for a little bit. And so I just told a couple of people, hey, I'm going to go out and drive the Batmobile. And my wife goes, that's a fantastic idea. You should go do that. So to close this out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little bit of a teaser of my drive, because some people have asked me about the Batmobile and want to see it. Also, they wanted me to record my drive to give you a taste a little bit of Denver. So I'll chop that up and you'll get a little bit of look at that. So hopefully this video helped you out. Super simple tip to make you more productive throughout your day. All you need is a little bit of a break. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit that alert button, hit that like button. Definitely will help us out. And remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.